Hey everyone, Mark at SOLIDWORKS World 2018 at the Partner Pavilion. I'm here with David from Meta. David, tell our clients and customers that weren't able to be here a little bit about Meta and what you guys do.
Cool. Yeah, thanks, Mark. So I work at head developer relations at Meta, building an ecosystem around augmented reality, but just really helping people interact with 3D content. For this SolidWorks, we showcased our SolidWorks experience, where you can actually take a real native SolidWorks model and be able to manipulate it with your hands, stretch it, pull it, a la Iron Man, move it apart. But this is the first time that you're actually able to do that, because now you can actually take digital content and treat it as if it was physical around you. And you're doing that with your CAD content.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Tell us that you guys were on stage at SolidWorks World as well, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
So Marone Gribbets, our CEO and founder, highlighted to the world why we're working with SolidWorks. If you went to the keynote, I'm sure you really saw a lot of great companies there doing a lot of cutting edge things, but around 3D content and around, of course, this tool called SolidWorks. So you can see how big that excitement is around 3D CAD viewing. But what we're really excited is to be a part of it, to showcase how people can now take their CAD content and actually interact with it as if it's physically in your real environment, and also be more productive. Basically, at the end of the line, it helps people get more productive because it shortens the time to market. I was talking to another partner in this pavilion. They print in metal, and one of their executives told me, hey, now you're telling me that I can tell my customers they can lower their time, because printing in metal is very expensive, very time consuming, but now they can look at the parts that they want to build and preview it and approve it in augmented reality instead of a 2D screen, right? To have a competitive advantage. So that's one of the real reasons why I'm really excited to be SolidWorks today.
Amazing, exciting stuff. Thank you so much, David.
Cool, thanks a lot, Mark.
All right.